I think this session has really connected us in different perspectives, the energies, the Vastu, Jyotish, everything. So this is a great knowledge which we can apply even on a daily basis, even for small things, the way you sit and eat, sit and meditate, do puja, stand and cook. So we have been knowing about this Vastu at a very high level, like North is good, East is good. You should have a puja room in Northeast. But I think this covered very minute details as well, including, the placement of taps and electrical points. To that extent, it was very detailed. So I think it is something really everyone should know and use it on a daily basis, I would say. I think it will have a good effect on a daily basis. So everyone should know about this is what I feel.